For our last problem, we have a polygon that is circumscribing a circle. Circumscribe just simply means that it is enclosing the circle. What is the perimeter of each polygon? So we know that length is 5 meters. We know this length is 12 meters. We know this whole length is 15 meters. And we know this length is 4 meters. So what we want to do in this situation is we want to assume that there are tangent lines based on the definition from the previous information, okay? Tangent lines being congruent. So if that is true, then we know a bit of information. So if this is 5 meters, that means that this length would also have to be 5 meters. Okay. If this length is 4 meters, that would have to mean that this length is 4 meters. Let's go the other way. If this is 12 meters, then we know this length is also 12 meters. But now we don't have anything information about this part. And that's where this comes into play. We know this whole length is 15 meters. Well, if we know part of it, that would mean that we would just subtract 12 from 15 to find the remaining measurement, which would be 3 meters. And that would also be 3 meters. So now that we know each part of our polygon, we can find the perimeter. So simply adding everything up works, or you can simplify yourself by just thinking that everything's in pairs of 2's, right? So we have 2 tangents of 5. We have 2 tangents of 12. We have 2 tangents of 3. And we have 2 tangents of 4. And when we do that, 2 times 5, 10, 24, 6, and 8. And add it all up, and we get a value of 48. So our perimeter is 48 meters. And that is the last type of problem for this lesson.